Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a route with multiple stops on Google Maps. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating a route with multiple stops on Google Maps on your device involves using the directions feature to add waypoints. So here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your device. Now we have to set your destination. Tap the search bar and enter your drop-off or endpoint. Now we have to tap on directions and your current location will be automatically selected. This is often the default. If you prefer to choose a different starting point, tap on your current location, type in your desired starting point, and choose the relevant result. For now, let's proceed by tapping on your current location. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Add Stop. Choose your next destination by tapping on Choose Destination and searching for your preferred stop. Now, Google Maps will automatically optimize the sequence of your stops for the most efficient route. If you wish to change the order, simply tap and hold on the destination, then drag it to your desired position. Repeat this process until you've established a route with multiple stops. Once you've added all your destinations and arranged them accordingly, tap on the Done button to obtain the directions for your multi-stop route. Now, follow the turn-by-turn directions provided by Google Maps to navigate through your custom route with different stops. To initiate this, proceed to the following steps. Please note that Google Maps will attempt to optimize the route for the most efficient travel. If you want more detailed control over your route with specific waypoints, you might need to use specialized route planning apps or websites, and then follow the directions on Google Maps. Now keep in mind that app features and interfaces might change over time, so it's a good idea to check for any updates to the Google Maps app on the Google Play Store, or refer to the app's official documentation for the most current information. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.